anti-true oil and all them something. What is that for? What is that for? So I want to know if I'm the only other worker in the world. I mean,
oh no, and the voice message, me scrap it down. If you don't want it, me can send it one like a go now. Me can send it if she are the only Uber worker in the world. On a year. So, what I try to tell you now, it come, the script. Listen back to the script, I'm telling you.
Anti-true oil and all them something. What is that for? What is that for? So I want to know if I'm the only other worker in
So you see, he come down, he go up there. And because he get caught in the middle of the act, he come out and say he want to know if him are the only Uber worker in the world. If him are the only Uber worker in the world. So what that try telling us now? We want to answer a question now. We want to answer a question. What that telling us now? Don't that telling us he did go do everything do for real?
You don't have to come out here and do much.
That telling her. Hello? Good night. Awa? Which one bag you want? Which part of there? Which country you know? Oh, you know, but you know me have to ship your Bahamas. Yeah, you have a shipping, you have to tell me how to ship it and I can ship it. We can't ship it. Huh? We can't ship it, but it costs a lot of money to ship to Bahamas. Unless you have a way, you can find out from somebody who do shipment out there if you can ship it. Because you have company where you can ship it through them, you know. Alright, darling, alright, yeah. People, hold on, there was going there, so. Hold on. Hold on there. Hold on there, man. No, sir. Me a call. Jesus God Almighty. You know good tonight. Hello? What's going on? You want to go for speaker? You want to go for speaker? Huh? Me put up on, hold on. Hold on, me get your message. The award we didn't get. How the award they go?
Well,
I them beg you?
well, and basically, yes. How the whole thing went. First of all, she had nominated somebody in the States.
Right.
And then I after reading and the stuff, and I said that this girl was deserving of an award.
Mm-hmm.
And then she wanted to know how she had do something long time and she not and we not give her an award.
Right.
And all that. So anyway, I had an opening, and the opening was for positive impact.
Right.
And I thought, okay, because at the time she was doing Bible stuff, and I thought that was very positive.
Yes, remember those times.
Yes. So she in return said to me, no, she wants the one with Miss Lady I get, because she just a come and she did a long time and she had got Jamaica and she had do this and she had do that and she want to see what. So I said, no, but that's gone already. She said, well, one time, so that we did not if we create two. So I said to her that, okay, that's possible, because in the past I've given two persons the same award. See? So, and that's how we created two humanitarian awards. So that's why when I said anybody's gonna broke up the award, they know in their heart that they were never deserving of it in the first place. And I leave it at
Yeah,
that.
but she said when time she come there, she did their backbench or whatever it is.
Well, to explain that, because first of all, she was like probably about three or so tables behind police officers. First of all, I do not really put awardees from the stage. So she was pretty much close because there was a police officer who was also getting an award. So they were approximately in the same area. Secondly, there was a whole mix-up because that show, we were expecting 300 persons.
Right.
And 500 people show up.
Oh,
which
wow.
means that people show up, and when them come here, people who already pre-book and buy them tickets, let them come and they never get them table. So we have to do the best that we can in placing people where they weren't even supposed to be. So nobody was, not even the main, Donna had gotten the seat that she should have, because Donna had ordered a table because she have extra family of people that was in this, so she had a table, and Audrey was not at the table. So nobody was. Everything was a total disaster.
But when she get, because we have to talk about the award in a minute and what people expect. But when she get for the award in that first place, was it you guys call her or she called her?
She had called. She called and nominated someone, a friend of hers in the States. And I respect that lady because she's totally deserving of it when I read her story. So she called and she contacted me and nominated the person. But she and I were no strangers to each other because you would inbox and say, Dr. Love, behave yourself. All the leaders of Dr. Love the same thing with her. My girl, behave yourself. Those type of things. So yes, she was familiar with me. So yes, she had.
But she call and beg the award and push herself in it, and then she go like say, well, I want to call her or whatever it is. Me tell her that woman that wicked, but anyway.
No, that's not how it went down at all.
So she lying and wicked?
No reason to tell no lie and nobody.
That's why she broke up the award, you know. She broke up the award because guess what happened? In her first place, as she call and beg it.
It have no meaning to her.
It have no meaning because as she call and beg it.
Absolutely. And it have no meaning to her because she know, of course, you were deserving of it. That's not the award that was offered to you.
Right. And since score the panic, me notice it becomes a big problem.
Well, I don't know what the situation is. I know that there was a time when she said, well, you know, me carry weight too, me carry weight too. So, but I don't know what that means. I don't know. I'm not going to say something.
Well, she do carry weight. She do carry weight still. Me I go talk about that when we talk about that panel. She do carry weight because we all know that she carry weight. But tell us about the award now. What people should expect. When is it? And who is on it? And just give us some rundown about it because I like those kind of things. We used to keep those in New Jersey, but they don't keep it anymore. And it used to be nice on a Sunday even people go out and get the little achievement. I've actually received about four awards I've received over the years I've been in the state of New Jersey. So tell us about it.
Well, of course, the award, it was created in 2009, and that was to honor women. And it started where I work with young women or young people in the community.
Right.
And I have seen where young women have been lacking of guidance and nothing to look forward to. Young women who have dropped out of school.
Right.
Women who probably have young children themselves and they feel that they should not gone back to school and further their education for life is done for them. Or they have married at a young age and they feel a housewife was it.
Right.
And so, and then there are the women who are working tirelessly in their community, like when I discover Auntie Donna, and no one, if somebody they're not working for accolades, but it is so nice if somebody can acknowledge and see what this person is doing and acknowledge them. And I thought, by acknowledging women such as Auntie Donna, it would empower young women that they too can do it. whatever their dreams are, they can do it. You can go back to school. They can be that teacher. They can be that lawyer. Whatever you aspire to, you can do it. And that's the purpose of the International Women Achievers Award. So it has been 12 years, and so the 12th one will be in June 25th here in Toronto. It's always here in Toronto.
Right.
And it will be at 655 Dixon Road at the Delta by Marriott Hotel. Now, to look for it at $120, and for $120, you are getting the red carpet. Red carpet is where all the meat and is happening. Media is there interviewing. It is just the same setup as the Grammy or any awards that you have gone to. You have I've put videos of the people see what it idea of what it is like. I have dignitaries there. There are city councils. There are mayor. They're all there.
Right.
Police officers. They're all there. You understand? And so from the red carpet, dinner and award ceremony starts at 7 p.m. and it is plated, so you are served. You are assigned a table, and so it's not like you come and you go pick a table yourself. You are assigned a table.
Right.
So and then after that is the after party. You have entertainment throughout the awards ceremony. Of course, Coro, of course, is one of the entertainers, and she's also an award recipient.
Right.
And how Cora come to get the award, the award that she will be receiving, over the years, persons have said to me, Princess, I think that you should have, for the past 3 years, actually, I should have the social media award because social media is a real thing, and you understand. And I thought, okay, it is about time. And when I discovered Cora, I thought this would be a perfect thing to do. And so I look at Cora's, what she's doing, and I decide to give her the Social Media Influencer Award. Now, the meaning of a social influencer award, which fits her very well, a social media influencer is someone who has established credibility in a specific industry, has access to a huge audience, and can persuade others to act based on their recommendation.
Right.
And so this is how it all started. So, I thought, oh, that's a very good idea. Cora is fitting of it. She's got the huge audience. She's an entertainer, and she got 5.some million people. So who better fitting of it this year for the very first time than her? So why not give it to her as well as she's coming?
Right, so Miss Princess is right now it's so enticing to me right now. No. Me feel like me say, so let me have to go, Kenna. You know who should get an award? This is who I believe should get an award. You guys should consider it. Lisa Anna.
Who?
Lisa
Anna. I have nominated. I've selected Lisa 2 times already, but Lisa is always so busy.
Yes.
She couldn't attend because there was election was happening at one time.
Yes.
Because I think what Lisa is deserving of, and I'm gonna try again, and that is for the Community Development Award. I think that's fitting for her.
Yeah, she definitely I have a direct contact to. She deserves of it. So when you were saying that, I actually thought about it and so forth. You know what I mean? And then what if you do it more, continue, it's 12 years, continue to do it and so forth, because I like the whole thing, and I think that's why a lot of people have fever about it. So you can continue. So what time it starts and what time it's over?
So it starts at 6 p.m., which is the red carpet. Dinner and award ceremony is at 7 p.m. And the award ceremony itself, dinner and everything, should wrap up in about between 10:30, 11 o'clock. And then there's the after party that goes on till probably about maybe 1 or so in the morning.
What day is that? That's a Sunday, Saturday?
It's a Saturday.
Oh, it's a Saturday. Okay.
That's Saturday, 25th. And all that for $120. You could not ask for more.
Where in Canada is it?
It will be in Toronto, and it will be at the Delta by Marriott Hotel, and that's at 655 Dixon Road.
Is there a
So
special?
all the information
Is there a special on the hotel?
The Delta by Marriott Hotel.
So is it? Do you have a special going on for people who are coming from the hotel or no?
For people who would like to stay at the hotel, there's a group rate, and if you book at the hotel and you book under the International Women Achievers Awards group rate, you would get it at discounted rate.
Okay. Well, for 12 years, I know it's gonna continue, and always keep to bring nothing but quality every year. Anyone that are not doing good, or anyone that are degrading woman, whether it's man or woman or so forth, then you know what to do and so forth. And guess what? I like the way it's getting bigger and better, and every year it's gonna get, because those things, as I said, I receive a lot of awards here in the state of New Jersey, and I know what it feels. Some good feelings. So I know it's gonna be wonderful and so forth, and I encourage people to go out, buy the ticket, go support it. Nobody go fast. Just go, because it's gonna be a good thing and so forth. You have any final thing you like to say to them?
Well, I just expect for everyone to come out and celebrate each other, celebrate women worldwide, and not only that, celebrate yourself, gentlemen. It is for you as well. A lot of men thinking that it's just a woman thing. No, it's a family thing. It's about your friends. It's about taking your wife, your girlfriend, your daughter, your sister, and just celebrate with them and celebrate them. So, don't wait until someone is dead before you bring the flowers and tell them how much you appreciate them. Come out and take them to something. It's been 2 years since we've been locked up with COVID. And this is also a form of reunion, to come out and just meet and greet each other again. You understand? So come out, 416-822-5867, or go to the website at IWA Awards and purchase your tickets.
And you know what happened to? Two things I want to tell you. Erica. Hope she'll be considered in the future, because Erica, she do her thing, and you know what award I think you should give this year to, if you can. I think that lady named Miss Richie should get an award, because she have been a role model to so much people. She have inspired so much people. You know what I mean? As much as she's sick and there, she deserve to get something, right? Because she play a role in a lot of things and so forth. The achievement and so she did. Yeah, she did that.
And so this is what it's all about, because it is open for you to nominate somebody. So for the ladies, if you know of somebody that you see that is deserving and need to be acknowledged, then nominate them. Put their name and their bio forward. Or if you want to nominate yourself, you go ahead and nominate yourself. Gentlemen, if you know of a young woman or a lady that you see that is deserving, go ahead, nominate them.
Right. That is true. That is definitely true. So people